everybody, it's Michelle, and in my last video for the flower pot napkin fold, I told you guys that I would show you a way that we could display our silverware not at our place setting, so we can have the pretty flowers in our napkin and we can have our silverware on the buffet. I'm starting out with just a placemat here that I got from Walmart. And you could cut it if you wanted to, but I don't like to ruin things like that. And I may want to use it at full size later on. So I just folded it in half neatly, left it under some heavy books to really press that down hard. And it's laying very flat for me. So I'm just going to use it like this. And I can press it again and use it at full size later. So we had our terracotta flower pot theme for our napkins, and we're going to go along with the same thing for our utensil buffet. So I just bought some 4-inch terracotta pots in the gardening section, and I'm going to use those to put my silverware in, and I think it's going to be adorable. So I got the little trays under each. And I know this is sort of an overhead view and you guys can't see it exactly for what it is, but I'll get some photos for the end of the video that you guys can look at from the forward angle and how this is going to display. So I found something really cute to go along with this at Dollar General. And I think they may have them also at Dollar Tree and probably just about anywhere you want to look in the party section. And it's little clip-on chalkboards, and it's got a little piece of chalk in there. So I'm going to cut that open, and we're going to clip our little chalkboards to each flower pot. And I think this would be a really cute theme to carry throughout your sort of garden party theme. You could use chalkboards for many different things within it. And see on the back of there, it's just like a little clothespin, and we're just going to clip it right to the front of that. And I think that's cute because they use these a lot for marking what the plants are. But in this case, we're going to write spoons, forks, and knives. And that's only 3 out of 4. And I can use my 4th for something else in my garden party theme. If you can make that out. If you can't make that out, they do make chalk markers now, and I've been thinking about getting some of those. Wouldn't that be great for this? I think actually I'm going to clean that off and start over. I think I'm going to take my chalk. Whoops, I broke it again. I want to try to get that to a point so that I can write my words a little more legibly. If you have a pencil sharpener that takes larger, thicker pencils, you could use that. But I just have the standard size, and this won't really fit in that. So that's to a pretty good point there. And pardon my sloppy handwriting. I think if I'd had some of the chalk markers, I could have done much better. So that's something to think about if you guys do decide to do this garden party theme. I think the chalk markers would be great. As a matter of fact, I'll go ahead and leave you guys a link to some chalk markers. So there are our little signs, and I think they are adorable. I just love these, you guys. So we just put those on the front of each one. And this garden party theme would be good for Easter, Mother's Day, a ladies' brunch or tea would be awesome with this little garden theme. Okay, so now all we have to do is to put in our utensils. And I'm going to use a couple of packs here. And I think it's so cute that they're green, because that's going to lend itself to the garden theme, as if those are little sprouting sprigs out of your flower pots. And if you wanted to, you could even use maybe some chocolate brown napkins down inside. That would look like dirt in the pot, as well as hold everything steady for you. So that's it, you guys. I may put some of the napkins down in there for the photos at the end. So you guys, leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links for all of those in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.